everybody, this is Carmen Zuniga with Berkshire Hathaway. We are doing here an open house here in Charles Village with Maya. Say hi everybody.
Hi.
Okay, Maya, you want to explain about this beautiful row house?
Okay, so this is the kitchen.
Okay.
This is the table.
Okay.
Where I draw all of these stuff. Look.
Okay, all the things that you have drawn. Okay.
And this is the counter.
Okay.
This is the sink.
Okay.
This is all the kitchen stuff. This is the refrigerator.
Okay.
And that's the oven. Okay.
Okay,
Go
let's
in the
go.
basement.
There is a basement. No, let's go upstairs better because it's gonna be too long. Basement we have washer and dryer.
Yeah.
Just remodel. Maya, go up and I follow you.
You go to the stairs. Go up here.
And we have 3 bedrooms and how many bathrooms?
One.
1 bathroom. Okay.
Here.
Wait.
So, one bedroom.
Uh-huh.
Next bedroom. Another bedroom.
Another bedroom, and then let's go to show the bathroom. Show me. Tell me,
No.
what do you like about the bathroom?
What do you like?
Wow.
You like the
Shower.
and this is the bathroom.
And this is the other
Room.
room, and then you have a patio here. Yep. Okay, if you want to see this house, please call me. This is Carmen Zuniga and Maya Benitez.
And we have our dad named Alex.
Call to 954-297-7718.
One eight.
Yes. See you soon. Bye-bye.